For centuries, the way we construct our world has remained largely unchanged. Economies of scale can be achieved through automated production lines. Productivity can be significantly improved, and quality can be ensured.
Explore Industrial Park is one of the most advanced precast manufacturing facilities in Europe. It allows the Laing O'Rourke group to control its own supply chain to a large extent. We can react quite quickly to requirements on site as a result of that.
With EIP, Laing O'Rourke has managed to move 70% of its on-site manufacture to an off-site means, and that's brought a 60% increase in productivity.
One of the things that we use Solibri for primarily is checking the quality of the incoming information.
You're able to streamline the design in the best way possible and ensure that everything works before it's tangible in any way, shape or form. So now that we're doing everything in 3D, it needs to be spot on or you will know about it.